लेफन के हाइदे लेफल लमदो इरांग मदुगी वमांग यालक violence ni sigi thoiba numai kapasi khatang hoi leibam thokte. You may have your puppet regimes in the state of Manipur, but it is your command. Everybody knows. Treat Manipur as part of India as it is. Richa punupu khurum jari September gi tang amadagi chatharaliba anoba lalong weaponized drone season arga bomb thadaba amogo surface to surface missile guma season aduna tawrakliba lalong mamangi chahi haurakpadasu megi home minister Amit Shah na laku matamda maikai tarani thoi tarahumdu dagi coordinated attack tawrakhiba aduga chap manabagi mong handak tawrakliba attack sa masi aikhoina line lokhom thokte hafta amani de loisan ba yaramba Iran amabu ngasi bhaw chatha leiba se Manipur bu thugai ge identity politics ta exclusivist oiba furuk ki oiba khuruba mi yeng de yengaga Manipur ge thugai ra ke haiba adugumba rajniti adugumba politics to maduga khusam naraga chatpa ama yawi haiba se koina khangnabo wani lefan ge haidi lefal amdo Iran kapthare ibe jaga si da kana karamba forces sing han station tawraga lei haiba leina 60,000 lising umpuina changraba lanmi leina lefal latraba amasung hanjan tangkak kaya da tawraga la iba masigi lanje masigi aroiba yamna maru oiba tangkak ama madugi wamang yalko violence ni sigi thoiba numai kapasi khatang hoi leibam thokte kari mathangi move tawrakani haiba se mangjauna na khoina khalaugadaba ma changi handak tawraiba se kaptharaiba se mase aina sum khanjabada tumina leramba government of India gi kariumba step ama loba yana na bagi silakpa madugi lalong ama oigadra haiba si aina khanjai mai khanjariba maramdi state amagi lenga ama leibudubu mapangan sondaraga lokthokraba matungda use and throw season raga langthokpa yabugum nathai na thamaga furup anibu tap taina khatna halaga amuk madugi da break amata kaw na tap taina khalaga punjan ba yararoi haiba adugumba wakhalon ama ba tahalaga madu da yumfam oiba separate administration akoi this device yam deep oigre ana punba yaroi haiba madugi ploy tanana ba hana silakpa plot amada tawrakpa rajniti gi anoba khongthang ama changakpa yabagi achoba saro ama lei haba se miyam na masi koi alert oiba ma changi chahi ama helaba thatara tu horaba matam sida isagi leingak leina ngakchaba ngamaktraba Delhi na control tawraga la aba 60,000 lising umpuina leba 65,000 ge hare ngasi bhawa lepa leitana uchit thawaidana nomai kapsan nan tawraliba pose mase aikoina thengnariba se Manipur bu thugai ge haina tawriba politics da chumnagi furup amagi mase adugi laraba khudam ne halak tawrai se normalize normal oire haira ga chahi tha tara taruk chahi am hena chingai bal anje masigi lanchigi leiraktriba asiana thuktana ngasi bhawa da tawraiba masigi khongjang se Masi government of India must take full responsibility. Aduga makoina 1,000 giba troops 60,000 singi full accountability se mase lakri bhawa ko miyam changna masigi pressure ma to changi ire chapunumak akiba adagi no to yaw da bida Manipur thugai ge haina folak liba politics to gi violence ni adugi hinsa ni haiba se sab dugna koi haimina bam changi aduga government of India se mana responsible logadabani mana chabatpa puppet kaino thangalaga akoi gi satra phaitare moina sinaba yaba mi khara Manipur da tohalaga sanabali la do miyam mi kap thol abani hujikti aduna noi responsibility low government of India noi na tawre se khudak ta crack down torga Manipur thugai gi haiba politics gi mayokta ai koi communally oiba political project demand amata piroi haina sengna chumnagi rhetoric ta territorial integrity nga kene do nate clear cut oina haiga da bani communal politics se yumpham moiba demand am da piba yaroi haiba wai chai ga damni rhetoric ta territorial integrity nga kini si nga ngona la ba ma ta ni khoi khangi article si ta thugai ba yai ba se madu thugai ba su yaroi haiba se khoi na sangjana na ba madu gi historical political moral legal responsibility la yai ba se hanjan khoi mu khoi da hai raga mayam changna akiba yawga bi da haiba ma changani natraga di akhoi bu asuk ina leira ba iramdam chahi lising hena leira ba iramdam sida Furup masin da divide and rule torga padugi policy season naraga kariuma political agenda ama serve to ba torok pato akoi loina khangi government of India must hold responsibility for the death and the destruction in the state of Manipur because you have 60,000 soldiers stationed in Manipur for 16 months. You may have your puppet regimes in the state of Manipur, but it is your command. Everybody knows that it is the command of the government of India which is at the helm of affairs. Aduna masigi responsibilities. I appeal to the government of India, treat Manipur as part of India as it is, and show the respect and the dignity that the people deserves in the state of Manipur, and immediately crack down and say that there is no politics based on communal agendas will be entertained by the government of India. Clear cut haibiraga mase makoi na thingjan mama changi masi akoi miam pulak ona haimina si haibasi ai haizaraga miam da mitna singna lebiu haibase ai appeal tawjage thagat chari